Hello guys, I'm back and I'm going to do a swipe. I do want to get, this time I want to get it a little bit lighter because I want to do a transfer. I want to do a seahorse on it. That I'll do next week. So that's the plan, Stan. We'll see what happens. I think I'll just pour it out in a cup. I'll tilt the canvas, let it come down, then I'll put the white on and I'll swipe it. Something like that. So I do need a lot of white because last time, as you know, it turned out a little bit too dark. So now I'm going to try and get a lot of layers so that we can get all the nice colors. Yeah, well, let's do the turquoisey one. Another one, then a light blue, and then the green. So it's going to be a lot of colors, not going for a pattern or something like that. Just a lot of light colors. We'll see what happens. It's already going straight through. That's kind of funny. But we'll see what happens. Okay, yesterday I posted the snow video. I took some of that footage. I took that from TV, as you could see. I'm pretty sure you could see that. But the thing is, guys, I was going over my drone thing, you know, just to see that I could start it up and connect it to my mobile phone, and yeah, it's I have to laugh about it. So it seems that I can't fly it anymore without a flying license. And I don't want to, you know, jinx it and do it and then have some cops come over and say, you know, where's your license? I don't want to do that. But from now on, you need a license if your drone is heavier than 300 grams. No, sorry, 249 grams. So if it's heavier than 249, you have to get a flying license and you have to get it registered, and it gets this little license plate on it. Yeah, I know you're not going to believe it, but it's true. You can check it out online if you don't believe me. It's true. So it gets a license plate, and then I have to get a license, and that's the only way I'm going to be able to fly again. Just thinking about it, it is so weird. I think it's weird. It is, totally. But, okay. Whatever they want, I'll do it. Well, let's do a little bit of white on top, but I'm going to keep a lot of white for the swipe. Okay. And, of course, a little bit more of the green. Don't want to waste any paint. There you go. So it's all in there. We're going to make a big mess because there's a lot of paint going to be flying. No drones flying, but paint's going to be flying. So here we go. Ooh, that's pretty. I kind of like it. And I'm pretty sure it's going to give us a lot of cells. Oh yeah, cells are popping. That's kind of cool. But I just wanted to see if it, you know, is it going to give us a lot of cells? And it is. Oops, go down there. Over the corner you go. Wow, look at that. That is looking really pretty. Come on. Don't want to have to help you guys. Come on, come down, please. There are some really nice things going on, but we're going to put some paint back on the canvas because we're going to swipe it anyway. Like I said, I want it to be really light because of the transfer. So that's the deal. Have to go take flying lessons. No, it's totally, just a thing you do online. There's no flying lessons involved. It's all theoretical. I guess you call it theoretical. So you have to know a bunch of stuff. And that's okay. We'll do it. Okay. Now, let's see that's going to be the top. It's kind of nice and wild as it is, and I'm pretty sure if we put a transfer on top, it would be nice, but what I'm really going for is a little bit lighter background, so I'm going to swipe it. Let's swipe it that way, that you can see it better, because I'm not totally confident I'm going to be swiping it really well. Oops, went through the paint there. Let's see what happens. Ooh, that's nice. That's nice and light. Let's put a little bit more white up here. Okay, I think that's okay. Yep, that's nice. Do have to have a little bubbles coming down here. Not so much in the middle. I don't care about that because that's where the transfer is going to be. Yeah, this looks cool. This is what I was going for. Okay, that's it. Okay, this is better because now I'm imagining the lighter being up on top, where the waves crash. Gotta be careful with my hands. So, and then the darker is down here, so that's gonna work out. A little bit of green, sort of resembling the seaweed, so I like that. And overall, it's nice, not too, in your face sort of cells. They're nice and a lot of cells, but they're nice. They don't pop up anywhere. And they're going to give an illusion of underwater, so that's going to be really perfect. Just let's see if I can get some cells here. Yeah, there we go. They come. That's going to be okay. I'm pretty happy with this. I'll get you guys down in a bit and I'll show you. But I'm pretty happy with that. Just want to see if I have to do the sides a little bit, the corners, cover them with a little bit of paint. That's okay. Down there it's okay. That's covered. A little bit here. I might have to come back in and give it a little bit. I see a couple of little pieces that aren't covered. Here's a corner that isn't covered, but it needs a little bit of white. Here you go. So as a couple of people have mentioned, I'm sort of getting a little bit more cheery because of all the drama that is done. I'm so happy that's over. If they're going to smack me with another drama thing, I think I don't know what I'll do. I just might take them to court, really take them to court. I think I will. Okay, the corner is done. There you go. Just a little bit over the side. Yep. Okay. I'll give you a close-up, guys, and then I'm going to just post this as is. And then next week we're going to put the seahorse on. And then I'm going to do the mica with acrylic binder. I'm going to mix that. And then give the seahorse, that rainbowy color. So that's going to turn out really well. And I'm going to keep this one. Unless someone says, I really want it, they want to pay for it. I don't know. We'll see. So I'll see you all next week. Love you all to pieces. I hope you have a beautiful Sunday. And spend a little time with your family. Have some fun. Drink some tea. I don't know what. bake some cookies. Okay, thanks all for watching. Bye bye, guys. Okay, I'm not sure if you guys can hear me, but this is the top of it. See here? So that's where the waves are sort of be, and then down here, it's full of cells. It's beautiful. It's gonna make a beautiful background. Here we go up again. Oops. Let's see if I can get you in focus. There you go. That's a lot of cells. There you go. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.